It's beer time, and today we have Steady Rolling Strata Pale Ale. I think it's a New England Pale Ale, the style of it. It's 5.2% and it's from Deya Brewing.
So we got this from Michael, my lovely colleague.
Thank you, Michael.
So obviously I don't know how much he paid, but online it says it's anything between £6 and £7.25 a can. So that's a lot of money.
That's expensive. £7.25.
It's a hell of a lot of money, isn't it?
Jeez.
The Deya Brewery is based in Cheltenham, been going since 2015. Cheltenham. You said earlier we had Steady Rolling Man.
Yeah, this is based on their popular Steady Rolling Man, which we reviewed quite a long time ago. So it uses a base recipe of Steady Rolling Man, and then it adds in strata hops, hence Steady Rolling Strata. They also, this one's 5.2%. They also do one at 10%.
God, I'm glad he didn't get that one.
Yeah.
Flipping Nora. Oh, God.
Just trying to work out what size the can is, because it seems bigger than the 440ml.
500, I think it might be, Yeah,
500ml. Half a litre there.
Cracker.
Hazy? It's hazy, yeah. It's orange, and it's just over one finger head. Looks like a modern pale ale, doesn't it?
Oh, that smells nice.
You
can smell orange as well.
Yeah, orange, pineapple, mango.
Tropical. That's it, really. Bit hoppy, but...
Yeah, there's not much else, is there? No. But it is, I mean, it's quite vibrant on the nose.
Yeah, it's really pleasant.
Have a sniff.
Sniff TV.
Smells good.
Smells good.
Smells like it's going to be a good one. And it's not too strong for you, is it? 5.2%.
This could go down nicely.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, everyone. And cheers, Michael.
Oh, cheers, Michael. That's nice.
That is nice, isn't it? It's really smooth and creamy. You get the orange, don't you?
Yeah, definitely.
Well, that's what it tastes like anyway, and like pineapple, mango.
It's quite smooth, isn't it, in the mouth?
Yeah, I said that. It's smooth and creamy.
Did you? Sorry. I'm not
Soft
listening.
mouthfeel.
I got to hand it to you, Michael. I think you got us 3 or 4 beers last time, and every one has been really nice.
Yeah.
Fair play.
Good quality.
Good picking.
You got a good nose for a good beer.
I think that's really nice.
Really good.
Yeah, I like it. It's not, obviously it's kind of new style with a tropical taste and that, but it's not overpowering, so you still get the beer. It's not all...
It's well balanced.
Yeah.
And it is a really nice mouthfeel. Soft and smooth.
Ooh, like a baby's bum. I like that. Would I have it again? Yes, I would.
Yes, I would.
Even though it's horrendously expensive.
Do you want some more then?
No. I would have one and I would savour and enjoy it because I couldn't afford to buy 2. It's a lot of money for beer, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean it is a 500ml can.
Yeah, and it's good quality and it's really lovely, but you know, that's still a lot.
I dread to think what the 10% version is.
Probably double. Probably about 12 quid. Isn't it?
It's nice though. I like that.
Yeah, this is a nice one. Like I said, he's got a knack, is our old Michael, for picking the good ones.
Oh, he does. It's really Moorish, isn't it? I think we should score it then.
Well, it's going to be quite high because I do think that's a really nice beer. Nice pale ale. Good artwork on the can.
Yeah, a bit crazy, but all their cans are a bit like that.
I think they're quite an innovative brewery.
Innovative.
And creative.
It's quite wacky. A bit like their beers, I guess.
I'm going to give it 4.5, and that's high, and it would have been higher if it wasn't so expensive. But I do think that's a really nice pale ale.
It's a really good... I can't remember what we scored Steady Rolling Man. I know it's one of their popular beers. But obviously it's based on that. But that Strata lifts it more, doesn't it?
Yeah, nice.
I'm going to give that 4.9 out of 5.
Would it have been 5 if it was cheaper?
Yeah, it's very expensive, so that kind of loses a little bit there. But then I guess, they've created a credible beer.
Very nice. Credible or incredible, did you say?
Incredible.
Yeah, I like that.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Well done, Michael. And well done, Deya. So that is Steady Rolling Strata from Deya Brewing Company. And it is pale ale, 5.2% ABV. Cracker.
It's pricey, but it's bloody lovely.
It's pricey, but it is bloody lovely. Anyway, coming up, we have Carolean, an American style ale at 4.7% ABV.
Carolean. Yeah.
From Columbia Craft Brewing Company. So that's what's coming up. Until then, cheers.
Cheers.